In this video, we are going to see 6th Standard English Term 2, Poem 1, Teamwork. Before getting to the poem, let us see some words and their meanings. Courage, brave. Deed, act. Battle, fight. Spirit, willpower. Scheme, plan. Mate, companion. Let us get into the poem now. Teamwork. Teamwork is the collaborative effort of a group to achieve a common goal or to complete a task in the most effective and efficient way. Yes, if we want to complete a task, we all join together and work hard. That is known as teamwork. Teamwork. It is all very well to have courage and skill, and it is fine to be counted a star. But the single deed with its touch of thrill doesn't tell the man you are. For there is no lone hand in the game we play, we must work to a bigger scheme. And the thing that counts in the world today is how do you pull with the team. Everything is good that we all have courage and skill, that is, brave and talent. All may counted you as a star. Yes, if you have courage and skill, all may counted you as a star. Yes, brave and talent persons are counted as stars. But single action, deed means action. That single action will not tell you that what you are and how you are. If you want to play game, you alone cannot play. Yes, we need companion. And we need to work with a bigger plan. In the world, they count you. How do you behave and work with the team? They may sound your prize and call you great. They may single you out for fame. But you must work with your running mate or you will never win the game. Oh, never the work of life is done by the man with a selfish dream. For the battle is lost or battle is won by the spirit of the team. People may appreciate you and call you great. Yes, they say that you are good, you are the best in the team. And they take you to the peak of the fame. But you have to work with your running mate. Whatever they say, you have to cooperate with your team members or else you will never win the game. For example, in cricket while batting, the players have to cooperate each other or else they cannot score runs. If you are being selfish, selfish means one who think of themselves always. I am the best. Without me, the team will not win. If you are being selfish, you will never win in the game. Not only in the game, even in your life. Yes, we have to work with our team members. Team is lost or won. That is depend upon the spirit of the team. Spirit of the team means willpower of the team. Yes, only one person can think means we cannot win. We all together join together and we have to work for our team. Then only we can win in the game. You may think it fine to be prized for skill, but a great thing to do is set your mind and set your will on the goal that's just in view. It is helping your fellow man to score when his chances hopeless seem. It's forgetting self till the game is over and fighting for the team. Yes, you may think that you want to be prized for your skill. Yes, I am talented person. All want to appreciate me. You can think that. But you have to do a great thing. What is that means? You have to set your mind and set your willpower that I want to reach the goal. What is the goal? You have to win the game. So you have to set your mind and set your willpower to win the game. So you have to help your fellow men. Fellow men means a player in your team. When they are hopeless, they may think that I cannot win, I am weak, I don't know to play like that. So when they are thinking like that, you have to encourage them and motivate them. And you have to teach them some tricks how to win the game. And you have to forget yourself till the game is over. Yes, we should not think that I am a good player. Only if I play means that is enough. We should not think like that. We have to cooperate with the team and we have to fight for the team. Yes, I want to fight for the team. My team want to win. So we have to work for the team. This poem is written by Edgar Albert Guest. He was born on 1881 and died on 1959. He began his illustrious career in 1895 at the age of 14. When he was 14 years, he started his great work. His work first appeared in Detroit Free Press. His column was syndicated in over 300 newspapers and he became known as the poet of people. His works published in 300 newspapers and he was known as the poet of the people. Guest was made poet laureate of Mexican, the only poet to have been awarded this title. Only he got this title. His poems often had an inspirational and optimistic view of everyday life. Yes, his poems are expressing positive thoughts of everyday's life. So, children, from this poem, we have learned that we should not be selfish and we have to work with our team. Yes, teamwork never fails.